How to recover a Duolingo streak. So if you've lost your Duolingo streak, I'm going to show you how to go in and recover this. Now, the first thing you need to do is figure out the date that you lost your streak. So if you head over to the home screen, you can then click on this fire icon in the top navigation, and this will bring you over to your streaks. You'll then see the calendar, and you need to go and find the date that you lost your streak. Now, once you have this information, you can go and close out of the app. You'll then need to open up the settings on your phone and scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down again to Date and Time. And once you're on this page, you need to use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of your iPhone. Once you're on the control center, go and toggle on airplane mode. Now once airplane mode is on, you can come back over to Date and Time and go and toggle off Set Automatically. You'll then need to go and set the date to the day that you lost your Duolingo streak. So I lost my streak on April the 10th, so I'm going to select the 10th from the list. And once you've done this, go and head back over to the Duolingo app. You'll then need to go and complete any missing lessons that you missed on that particular day. So it doesn't matter which lessons you've missed, you just need to go through each of them individually. And because we're in airplane mode, this will be stored locally on the iPhone. So once you've completed all of the lessons, you can head back over to the date and time on your phone. You can then toggle back on Set Automatically, and then you also need to go and toggle off your airplane mode like so. Now once you've done this, you can head back over to the Duolingo app, and you should now see your streak restored in this top navigation. Now also another thing to note is that if you missed your streak for more than one day, you'll need to go back over to your date and time settings, and you'll need to go and complete the lessons for every subsequent day. So for example, if you lost your streak on April the 10th, after completing the lesson for April 10, you'll also need to change your date and time to April 11. You can then complete the lesson for April 11. You'll then need to do the same for April 12, 13, and so forth.